this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on CMC Markets. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside their trading platform, you want to go ahead and go inside here, up top left, and you want to click on this plus icon, and then products over here, and then open up the library, and this is where you basically have to select whatever you want to trade. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different asset classes. For this tutorial, I'm just going to show you on currencies, but of course, you can do whatever you want. So let me press currencies over here. There we go. And then you have to find the product you actually want to trade. So for example, we're just going to select a completely random one over here in the middle. And then you have this buy and sell buttons over here on the right. Now, click on any of these buttons and a trading window will open up, which looks like this. And then to trade, you can just select buy or sell. Here you can select the amount, you can select the order type you want to do, set stop losses, take profits, etc. And then here you can then just place the order, or of course, you could do a buy or a sell order. Now here on the right, you also can see the chart. You could also trade directly on the chart. So you could click on this button up top again, which will pop up the same order window. And in here, you can then go ahead and basically trade. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.